So you want to learn how to build your following organically on Instagram in 2020? Well, you've stumbled upon the right video. That's exactly what I have been doing with my Instagram account. And I created a whole entire podcast to teach you step by step exactly what I did to do just that. This is a very in-depth video, but very short, very bite-sized, so that you can go learn my strategy and go implement it for your Instagram account. Here's the deal. The way that Instagram works, and social media in general, including Facebook, but we're talking about Instagram right now. The way that Instagram works is they work with the algorithm. And if you want to abide by their rules, you have to do very specific things. So that's why I put together this podcast for you, which I'm going to share with you in a second. But I wanted to share with you exactly what has been working for me so that you don't have to worry about doing the wrong things and jeopardize your account from getting shut down. You definitely don't want to do that. You want to play by the rules. So with that being said, I put together a podcast talking about my entire strategy, and you can go listen to it by clicking on the link right below this video or going to lisatorresspeaks.com/19 to listen to the podcast. Also, if you're already here on my blog, you're going to see the player to the podcast right below this video. But if you're not on my blog and you're watching on YouTube, simply click the link in the description and that will take you to my blog to listen to the podcast. I put a lot of specific details in that podcast and I know you are absolutely going to love it. So with that being said, go and listen to it now and I'll see you over there.